today I'm going to install a wig, and let me tell you guys where I got the wig from. So I'm taking this Blueberry Bliss curl control paste by Curls, and for me this is like edge control. Okay, so now I'm gonna just throw my stocking cap back on. I like this one because usually the ones that I get, I don't know, I don't really be liking, but I like this one. Okay, let's put that right there. Make sure all the hair is. Okay. Now, it's like every time I order wigs, I always order from a bad site because I never get a nice wig that does not shed and like the first day, and then the ends are all stringy by the time I'm done like even styling it. By the time I want to put it on, it's already thin as heck. So this one held up really well because it did, you know, shed when I bleached the closure, but look at it, it's not thin. Now it's of course not as thick as the top, but it's not as thin as they usually are. Like, look at this. I feel like that's good. That's real good. So like I said, it is a closure. It's a 4x4 closure. Yeah, I usually order lace fronts, but I don't know how to do lace fronts, so I'm like, let me just start with a closure and then move my way up. So of course, you know, I took a wax stick by She Balm, and I put the wax stick on it, and I did it with the, I'm gonna do all that again because I know it's probably gonna mess up, but yeah, I took the wax stick and I put it on there, and I took the hot comb, but I think we're ready to apply her. So I know, oh, let me show y'all the inside of the wig. So this is the inside. Like I said, I did bleach, and I do have pictures, so I will be inserting all of the pictures of the bleaching process, how I came before, how I looked, and things like that. I got the wig from Amazon, and it was prime, yes, you know, I'm like waiting on it. But anyway, so the hair came in this bag. It just says 24 inches. And it's just like a long Ziploc bag, you know. And it also came in this, but I didn't see this, so I just cut right into the package. So I cut the bag, but it's a plastic bag. This is cute. It says, give your beauty your best choice. And they don't have their name on this, but I'm definitely gonna put the name across the screen because I honestly don't even remember. It's Muokass or something like that, Muokass. And in the bag that I received, I got a wig cap. This is a net wig cap. Oh yeah, it's Muokass. And they just give you a thank you on the back. And I'm guessing they also do wholesale because they have a bunch of numbers and stuff. You know, you get some lashes. So these are the lashes they sent me. I do want to actually try out some lashes from a hair brand because, you know, they always send them. Stocking cap Amazon, and I oil my scalp with this Canvas hair oil and this hair blossom serum. It says make your hair grow, and as you can see, I have been using it. I had the faux locks in, as y'all know, because my past couple videos, but I took them out today. And actually what I did was, let me show y'all what I did. Let me just go on and show y'all. I left the braids in. Now, I've had these braids in for a month. And it does have combs. It has 3 combs. And it has this. I love that because let me tell you something. I need my wig to be tight. I need to feel like, okay, it's never coming off.
to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night.
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
so, how's it looking up close, y'all? This is how it's looking up close. It looks pretty okay to me. I feel like we can go darker in the scalp for sure. Let me put some, I'm gonna put some foundation right here too. So next I'm going to take Got To Be Freeze Spray, and I'm gonna spray it on my toothbrush, and we're gonna get these edges. And I ordered a what is it called? A towel for my hair, but it has not came yet. But when it comes, I will definitely show y'all. So then I'm gonna take the Got To Be Got To Be Glued styling gel, and I'm gonna put some of that on the, hold on, cause this is where I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, like that, and just dip it like that, cause you do not want too much of this, because I think it turns white. I hope this looks okay, guys, because I really hate when I put all this time into something and it does not come out looking how I want it to look. Like, when I say I be so aggravated and I just be like, I'm never doing this again. Like, literally, that is me. I'm like, I'm never doing this again. And then there I go, doing it again. Of course, because you never want to try this stuff again. But I don't know what it's called. But I got this one. Okay. These is the edges, y'all. You just want to get that glue. Okay. It's looking okay so far. Period. Thank you. So.
That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize...
You have to catch me calling these niggas daddy. I ain't lying, but my neck just to make these niggas happy. So now I'm going to go in with this Annie, and this is the electrical one, and it's the, what is it called? What is it called? What is it called? I know what it's called. The hot comb. There we go. And I'm just going to, you know, go back over everything, make sure it's how I want it. So far it looks okay. I see that up there, so you know we gotta fix that like right now, because I am going to tie my hair up after I take this hot comb on it. Yeah, but you won't know what it is unless, you know, y'all know. So, and shedding, like I said, it did shed when I first like start bleaching the knots and stuff. And like right now, you see it's a couple hairs. But when I tell y'all it's not as bad as I have gotten, like I have gotten worse than this, okay? And this is, it's not a thick, this is like a natural. Like, I feel like these are the cute, natural, like, wigs. Like, it's so cute and it's like natural and it's basic. And I'm 5'8", and this goes down to my belly button. It doesn't like go all the way down to my belly button, but it comes right over top my belly button. And this is straight, 24-inch straight wig. Oh, see, there it goes. It's steaming. Okay, so let's put a little bit of She Balm. Okay, let's put a little bit of this on there. What hair wax stick. And I'm gonna just, you know, put it right there so we can make sure it is as flat as possible. And after this, I am going to wrap my hair up for like 10 minutes at least. I don't want it like this.
And visualize seeing yourself as
Or like this. I'm kind of feeling this though, like shit. I like it give us some style, some flavor. So now I'm just gonna take this blow dryer and I'm gonna take the blow dryer and my rat tail comb and just press the lacing.
They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe.
Let me get y'all into this lace for real. So I had putting the foundation right here, it made it too dark actually for my skin tone, but oh sorry, but so if you see these white flakes, I believe it's from the gel. That's probably why people don't use gel on their hair, but I used it anyway. So I messed up there. But if this was lighter, it would be perfect for my skin tone. Like, it'd be perfect. Like, you see from a distance, like when you look at girls, like you look at me like this, like it don't look as bad, like rather than me putting my head down. But if it was a little lighter, it would look bomb. But this hair is like beautiful. So we can comb it again to see if I'm gonna get any shedding, because I've been running my fingers through it, but I haven't really been like looking for shedding. But let's see. I did flat iron it as well. And I've been running the hot comb through it, you know, so to make sure it was actually straight. And the ends do not, it's like really cute and natural. Like it looks like, you know, like a natural sewing, like, you know, when girls just get like a couple bundles added to the hair, like that's what it reminds me of. But the ends look good too. Let me show y'all. Sorry, I was sticking this ear. But the ends, I feel like these ends are pretty good, because the last wig that I had, the ends looked so, I'm telling you, like it was so sparse. But like, look at this, it's pretty nice and look, it's shiny. Okay, come through, Muokass. And yeah, the ends are nice. I like the ends honestly. And for shedding, for that round, like I didn't take anything out, y'all. I just put it down, but I didn't really get anything. No. So the concealer that it came in one of my Ipsy bags, and I did a tutorial. Well, I did an Ipsy bag like haul review, whatever. Like videos back. I had on a pink scarf. It was so long ago, and that's when I got this, and that was like a year or two ago. But it's in the color, or it's in the color Warm, number D33, and it's the Kat Von D Locket concealer. And this is how it came. This is how it looks. And I just, and it look, this wand is perfect because it's super small, and I just did that. And I took this brush and I just went over it, blended it out, yada yada. But yes, guys, oh my gosh, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video because I really had fun making this video and showing you guys how I apply my lace. This is like my 4th or 5th time doing a lace, but I have been watching so many videos, y'all, and I promise y'all I'm gonna get better, okay? Because I think this is a lot of progress, especially from where I came from. Like, if I could find some pictures, I'm gonna upload to y'all like how my laces used to look up close. Now, it looks so much better than it used to look, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. Like, it's progress, it's an upgrade. It's still not, you know, where it should be, but it's an upgrade, you know? So yes, guys, and it's a straight wig and it is definitely holding up straight. Now I want to go back in and dye this wig jet black. Now it looks black on camera, but like I feel like you could see like the brown, I don't know, I could see it. So I'm going back in with the jet black dye, and I'm gonna dye this wig jet black. So, and I'm gonna redo the edges, and I'm just gonna revamp it, kind of low key. But yes, guys, I know my lips probably look dry, I'm sorry. But I will see you all in my next video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you think. Okay, let me know. Okay, I don't think I have any videos with that wig on, but like I said, I'm gonna try to upload pictures, but it's good. That wig was messed up, but anyway, yes, I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in the next one because I know you turned on your post notifications and I know you subscribed. Like I said, I love you guys so much. Bye.